Hello guys. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Tabo. Here I talk about ways to make money and how you can make money part-time or full-time. So today I'll be talking about how I trade consolidation markets, okay, in Forex trading. How I'm able to profit when markets are consolidating. As you know, there are three phases. When it's uptrending, downtrending, or when it's consolidation. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how I trade consolidation and yeah, and how I'm profitable just using, you can also be profitable using different strategies. Okay, so meet me after the intro and I'll show you everything. Let's go. So consolidation involves many things. Okay. Firstly, we're dealing with something that is quite unpredictable. Yet it can give you so much opportunity. Okay. So I do when I trade consolidation is usually when I'm scalping or things like that. So I'll just be showing you how I do it and how you can be profitable. Okay, remember, always your risk is very important when you do this and to make sure you're profitable. All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go into the charts and then I'll just show you how I'm able to just trade any consolidation easily. Okay, so let's look at which chart is consolidating more. I think let's do Eurochef is normally the one. So let's check it out. Eurochef. Okay. Yeah, today I'm just doing consolidation. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, make sure it's consolidating. Okay. Okay, good. So we look at the 1 hour. You can see what the chart is doing. Okay, it's doing up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just show you again. Down, you're going up, you're going down, you're going up, you're going down. Okay, so if you look at this, what you'd want to do is to look at where the market is mostly sitting at the top, and then you put that line. Okay, it's mostly sitting here. You can see 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay. Okay, and at the bottom, it's sitting mostly here. Okay, so how trading works, if you're doing this, almost imagine this is your ceiling, this is your floor. Okay, so as long as your trade is consolidating, it'll keep doing this. And no one knows when it changes. Okay, so all you have to do is to see where it's going. Okay, so the first thing you need to check is, has it hit twice? Okay, on each part. So here it hits 1, 2. Okay, and then here, has it hit twice? Okay, it has 1, 2. Okay, so you know, even if we went back, we'd see it was consolidating. Let's go back quickly. Where is this now? Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this was, let me just label this 1. It started here actually, 1. I'll put this 1 for this side, and then 1 for this side. You just make it a bit bigger so you can see. Increase the text. Okay, let's see. Make it more visible. Make it 32. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Okay, so what we, so it hit here. This was a 1. Here, also 1. Okay, depending on where you're looking. If we started here, you can say it's 1. Okay. Remember, trading is all a matter of perspective because you don't know where it's going. So you just look at where it hits. So 1, and then here, it goes to here. It hits second time. And then here it hits second time. So we know it's a consolidation. Okay, so what you need to do now is to look for a third hit. Okay, on where it hits before. Okay, so you'd buy here, and then you'd sell when it gets, when it gets to this area. Okay, so we have an area here. We have this area, for example. Okay, and then we have, okay, so you know it hits here, it hits here, it hits here, and then you know the third time is going down. Okay, so you'd be selling here, going down, and then you buy here. So let me just put this here. So after your second touch, you know it's going down. Okay, you'll see a consolidation. Even if you see a consolidation that has been happening for a very long time, as long as we have like something like similar to that, you can still be able to cash in on this. So you know here it was a second hit, so it's going down, and then here we know it's when it gets here to this level, you know it's going up. Let me just put it here. Buy. Okay. So that's all you need. Even if it was been doing this for 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 2. You know you're gonna sell here and buy there. Okay? As long as it's consolidating, you do that in that area. So here you know you buy, and then it reaches this area, you sell, just like it did. I know when it reaches here, we buy. When it reaches here again, I'm gonna sell. I haven't seen it, but I know once it gets to this area over here, we sell. Okay. So let me just get this thing out. So you know it went up. That was just to show you. So it went up, da. It went there. You're already selling, and then you buy here. Okay. See, we know now it's going up. Okay. I know when actually I think one of my students in my group, when I was like helping some people, we actually bought this one. Okay, so we bought it to this area, so it's consolidating so nicely. So we bought it to this area. I think so where we entered was, because we knew it was going there, and then it came here. And then we waited for this to drop, because I think we missed this one. Waited for this to drop, okay? So when it went here, I was ready to buy, okay? As long as it's in this area here, you see this area here? Let me just put it here. As long as it's in this area, we know we are buying. And here, as long as this area here, we're selling. Here, you cannot, it just came from here. So it's going up. So we entered somewhere here. Let me show you. We entered here where this thing starts. And then we had, yeah. So we're entering to go up here. We entered from here to there. So it will hit our take profit there. So we just look at how it go 1, 2, 3, pa pa pa, and then it's gonna hit our TP soon. Okay, and then when it reaches here, we're looking for another sell down here, going to the bottom. But for now, it's going up. So even if you zoom in and see, you'll see what I'm talking about. So we entered here, as I said, and then now we're here. We had our stop loss at this point. Okay, let me just put it here. So we had our stop loss here. Like I always tell you guys, look at my risk to reward. It's intact. So I'm willing to lose. That's how many pips? 40 pips for, this is blocking. Okay, so risk to reward. So 40 pips for 60. So it's 1:1.5. Okay, so as I said, it should always be above 1:1. At least 1:1. Okay, so by end of the week, it should get there if it doesn't consolidate, just like the markets have been doing recently, too much consolidation. Are we looking for up to there? Okay. Okay, so that's how normally one, okay. As you can see, it's been doing this thing for a long time. Okay. Same thing, it's been doing 1, 2, 1, 2. We know it's going up, it's going down. Up, down. I want, see? So yeah, that's, I'm gonna try to look for another consolidation once more. That's just my trade for the week. This one usually consolidates also. Okay, so let's look at this portion here. Presume nothing was, okay, it was still here. Okay, so what I said, you look for one, okay. So you'd see where it hits. So it hits 1, 1, 2, 2. So you know this is already doing hitting twice here. Okay, for example. Okay, so you have 2 touches. First touch, and then the first touch for this, second touch for this, second touch for this. So you know after this is going up and then it's going down, up, down. Okay, so that's how you look at it. So for example, you would have made money going up, you would have made money going down, money going up, money going down, money going up, money going down. Okay, so that's basically how you trade this. Okay, yeah, so these are, I got in depth in my course, but this is just a basic of how trading, like for example, if you're looking at consolidation, which the market usually is doing most of these days. So yeah, this is what I usually do in my mentorship when I show people. Obviously I got in depth with all the risk and the strategy and how to master it and profit more. Okay, so just a basic of how you can one trades consolidation, one predictable markets. and how I'm profitable when it comes to that. So as I said, guys, so this is just a trade for this week. If you want to take it, yeah, but it's really nearly going to TP.
Guys, I hope you did enjoy the video and how I trade consolidation and how I'm profitable when it comes to that. As I said, I've developed these skills over the years and through losing and failing. So these are just my methods that I use. So I hope you did get value from these charts and how I make money in any market, whether it's trending or unpredictable or whatever. Okay, there's no sad day. Okay, obviously you do have some losses like any other trader, but in anything, I make sure things are according to what I planned. Okay, so I'm gonna still give more strategies and more tips on how to kill the market. Okay, all right. Okay, so these are just the tip of the icebergs of things that I do. Okay, that's why I'm killing me and my students. Okay, because I work hard each and every day to make sure that my students are able to profit in the market. Okay, and in my course, this is what I teach. I teach in depthly until people can master this themselves and do it just like me. Okay, that's what I do in my program. And if you do know my free signals, I give people free signals to ensure they grow their accounts too. So it's all about giving back and just helping people grow and make a success in their lives. Okay, so I understand some people don't have time to trade or don't have the skills or whatever the case is, or they're working, they want to just have extra time. That's why I provided a signal group and to grow accounts and for people also just to, if they just like they missed the analysis for that day, and I can be there to be their rescue. All right. As I say, we're in my. If you know my signals, you know it's always fire. It's because of the work I've been through and what I've achieved over the years. Okay, and that's why I'm able to do things and travel the world. And as you can see, even on my social media, like my traveling and just going all over the world and doing the things that I enjoy to do. Okay, so traveling has always been my passion, and that's what I do. So what are you gonna do with your Forex money or whatever money you make online? For me, it's traveling the world and buying stuff to look good. I love clothes, I love traveling. Okay, those are the main things that I love. Okay, and dancing, I can't forget that. That's my first love. So that's why I trade to dance, to dress well, and afford the clothes that I always afforded, and to travel the world. That's and dance, do my sports. Okay, so I hope you guys can follow the path and be able to also make money online. So if you do have any question, don't forget to leave the comments down below, and I'll be happy to engage and answer your questions. And also, if you haven't subscribed onto this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos when I give you ways and just show you my journey of making money online and how I kill the markets, and not just the markets but making money online. I'll still be giving more ways to make money online because I don't just do Forex, I do many other things. So I know some people have been waiting for that, but yeah, just stay tuned. I'll give you ways to make bread. Alright, so if you did enjoy the video, guys, don't forget to press the like button, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. I wish you a profitable week and a lot of success. Let's go. Laugh at my problems, even when